Yo, what is up, guys? Ballism here, back at it again with my first NBA Live mobile video. And to start it off, my NBA Live mobile video, we got a pack opening. We got some pro packs, and I saved up these Ballas life packs for you guys. And hopefully you like my first video of NBA Live. I grind a lot, dude. Okay, so let's get straight into this pack opening. Hopefully we can pull elites, but I doubt it because pro packs aren't that good. Not really good this year. So let's get right into this. Start off, we get Darius Miles, Patrick McCaw. Okay. Please just give me an elite. Oh, we get another Patrick McCaw. So I'll be doing more NBA Live mobile videos in the future. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, let's keep going. Please just give me an elite. Okay, we're just gonna reveal on this. We also got one Team of the Week pack. Okay, 77. It's pretty good. Heating up. Oh, no way. That Thon Maker. He goes for so much.